will the software update automatically? Will the gates update automatically? And the answer is yes.
And that makes sense, right? Because I feel like I've had this conversation before with other systems where there is a delay. Sometimes it's like a 30 to minute delay. And as it relates even to like payments, like if a customer is delinquent and they pay, there's still that 30-minute delay, not real time, to get the gate access and be able to get in.
Yes, it does update in real time. Just because with our access control product, probably much like the rest of them, you need to have reliable internet on site. And so with the hardware we're providing, whether you're doing it wirelessly because maybe your layout of the facility is really big, or maybe it's just a small mom and pop facility with 100 units or less, whatever it is, the cloud node we give, the brains of the gate operation, that's plugging into the internet router that's on site. So that's how we're able
Got
to
it.
update it in real time. So it takes a matter of 60 seconds from the action that happens, whether you're paying or you're late.
Awesome.